I take this opportunity in congratulating the organizers for this program, which is Learning Point Foundation, IIC Bangalore. Today's program is the most needed program in terms of encouraging and motivating people to become teachers, and teachers who are going to make the lives of kids much greater. I think by doing these kind of trainings and exposing them to various trainers, the organizers have not only helped them to understand how great being a teacher is, but also making every teacher realize that they have so much potential in them. We definitely need more trainings like this, because these trainings are life-changing situations, and they will certainly make a huge impact on society. I once again congratulate the organizers, and I wish that these kind of trainings happen more often across the country, and they are done with the purpose of empowering the students. Thank you.
The main message here is to develop the human resource. Once the human resource is developed, that means the whole nation is developed, a society is developed, and the future is developed for the next 2 generations. Secondly, to bring up this development, teachers play a very important role to bring up this development. So we are here together to just bring up the change in the human resource and the teaching field.
It was indeed a pleasure to be a part of this Teachers Empowerment Workshop organized by Islamic Information Center and Learning Point Foundation. ऐसे बहुत सारी वर्कशॉप्स की बहुत ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि इससे हम जो सीखते हैं वो हम फिर जाके अपने स्कूल्स में बच्चों के साथ इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं. The more better we are trained, the better we can teach inside the classrooms. It is indeed very needful, it's very helpful, and we can of course have a huge amount of takeaways from such workshops, where we had the honor of being trained by most selected names of the training sector, and hope the organizers come up with such more events. We need more of such workshops in Bangalore, because we have a greater number of Muslims here, and they are running their schools, and they are doing their best. They are putting their best foot forward to come up with the best solutions, and if they are equipped with certain such skills, of course they can do an excellent job.
Okay, thank you for giving me this opportunity, and it's an indeed pleasure that I have attended this workshop regarding the empowerment of the teachers. And it is really an informative workshop, where I personally, as a student come teacher, gonna have more experience and gonna take back more information with me and gonna implement this in future. So I personally wanted this workshop to be continued in some time span, so that in future many people will get used.
मेरे 20 साल के सर्विस में ये पहला वर्कशॉप है जो मुझे मोटिवेट किया, और मुझे लर्निंग किस तरह से और बच्चों को मोटिवेट करना चाहिए इसका पता चला, और मैं चाहती हूँ कि ऐसे वर्कशॉप और कंडक्ट करें, और फ़िलहाल ये मेरे कैरियर का पहला वर्कशॉप है.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm very happy to attend this, because it's been the most effective workshop I have ever attended, and I'm just waiting for this pandemic to end, so that I can implement all this what I have learned in this workshop on my class, on my students, and definitely on my teachers. And inshallah it will be implied, and I'm really thankful to the whole management who has done a great job. And trust me, I have spent so much of money to earn the personality development, and so much of money I have spent on the courses, but it has never been effective like this. They have not charged us anything, and still they have given us so much. So inshallah I really pray to God that they definitely get a higher position in Allah's eye. Thank you so much. Yes, we have definitely learned how to handle with children, how to deal with very naughty students, and how to manage the class, and how to give the best potential that we have. They have given us the whole explanation in a very simple and a modified way. I'm really very grateful that I have attended this workshop.
Assalamu alaikum. First, a big round of applause and appreciation to my dear friend Ms. Sarwat Adil, I guess. Yeah, she's been doing a wonderful job, and I don't think any single lady can do things to this stature without any expectations. But she is doing, mashallah. May Allah give her more hidayah and strength to do what she's doing. And yes, I really thoroughly enjoyed these 2 days of workshop. It was more than a workshop, I can say it was like a family experience for me.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am very grateful to all the organizers who have organized such a wonderful workshop for the teachers in various fields, and it was very beneficial for me. Like, we had a very lively, entertaining orators who gave us different methods of narrating, the teaching methods, etc. And I am very happy to be a part of this. Thank you.
ये हौसले ना टूटे हमारे असातिज़ा के। कभी कभी मेहनत करते करते हौसले टूट जाते हैं, तो चाहती हूँ कि ऐसे प्रोग्राम 3 महीनों में या 4 महीनों में जैसी सहूलत होती है वैसे इंतज़ाम किया जाए तो बेहतर होगा, ताकि हमारे हौसले भी बुलंद होते रहें और कोई तालिब इल्म बग़ैर इल्म के अपनी ज़िंदगी ना गुजारे। बल्कि अल्लाह ताला का, अल्लाह के रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया है कि इन्नल्लाह ला युग़य्यिरु मा बिक़ौमिन, उस कौम का कुछ नहीं हो सकता जब तक कि वो अपने आप को नहीं बदल सकती। तो जो कौम अपने आप को बदलना चाहती है तो उसके लिए तालीम का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो तालीम के लिए, बच्चों को अच्छी तालीम देने के लिए अच्छे असातिज़ा का भी होना ज़रूरी है। बस इतना ही कहना चाहती हूँ और अल्लाह ताला का शुक्रिया।
First of all, thank you very much for learning opportunity and Islamic Information Center for giving me an opportunity for training in this forum of teachers empowerment. I think these sessions are very, very important. These sessions give us a lot of, give a lot of awareness to all the teachers and the training fraternity and the teaching fraternity. These kind of organizations, these kind of sessions are very, very important. Sharing learning techniques, sharing the experience, the entire 2-day program organized by Learning Point and the Islamic Information Center was just amazing. I had the privilege to share the stage with a couple of great trainers and it was a privilege and also it was a great experience to share my my learning with all the teachers and the training fraternity. I think we need to do more of this sort, and I thank once again for all the teachers and all the organizers and the venue management people. The benefit, what I can say is number one, when you have people of different walks of life sharing their experiences, we learn a lot. Number one. Number two, we network, the group and the organization and the entire scope enlarges and becomes bigger.
Good afternoon, I'm Life Coach Arif, and after today's program, the thought that came into my mind is that students are considered to be the future of a nation, but more than that, the students' future is in the teachers' hands. And here at Learning Point, a big kudos to all of you who are thinking about the teachers and organize such a wonderful program. I had enjoyed the program thoroughly, and also it was a pleasure to interact with the teachers through this platform. Thank you so much, and a big round of applause to everybody who was behind this initiative. Thank you.
I'm here in Teachers Development Program, which has been conducted by Islamic Information Center, Hidayah Foundation Mangalore and Learning Point Foundation. So coming in this program, I had wonderful experience wherein I could see that teachers are getting opportunity to experience a wonderful skill set, and they're getting wonderful training to transform themselves into an effective teacher and inspirational teacher. And the hospitality, this is the first time I have come across with such a wonderful program, where the program has been hosted with proper structure, organized way, with good hospitality, and all the speakers were very international speakers and the coaches with well experience and skill set. So they came and they trained teachers, and it was wonderful experience. And the good part here was these foundations are working to serve community, and they're not charging anything, even a pie, from teachers or from the teachers who wants to develop their skills, and they're coming and they can experience a different feeling and improve their skill set and become an effective teacher and be a change in the society, create leaders, give birth to leaders. And yes, I would say that yes, this was a wonderful experience coming here.